Want this? Let's get into the video. Make an adjustment layer. Cut it like I do. Now add amino diffusion effect. And make keyframes like I do. Ease them. Copy my graph. Now go to the end of the clip and go 4 keyframes behind. And make a black solid layer. Cut it. Now drag it another 4 keyframes behind. Make another solid, but this time make it white. Cut it. Now go over to the black solid and type your name. Align the text. Change text color to white. Now go over to the white solid and type your name. Change text color to black. Align the text. Now you got yourselves a unique watermark for your edits. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.